Today, I build my First Automatic GMT watch. Let's start with the watch dial. This dial has 6 dial feet. We need to cut the 4 that are not required. File to make the surface smooth. Ensure there is no dust before moving ahead. Placing the dial spring. And then attaching the dial face to the movement. Before we start attaching the hands, let's ensure time is set at midnight. Rotate the crown till you see the date change. You will also hear the mechanical click. Now let's attach the GMT hand. Check if the hand moves freely without any interference. Attaching the hour hand. Check the hand movement. Attaching the minutes hand. Check the hand movement again. Now attach the seconds hand. To fix the movement in the case, first take the dummy stem off. Remove the crown off the case. Gently place the case on the movement. Insert the stem and measure the length that needs to be cut. File before attaching the crown. It is better to cut a little more than required and then file it down. If you accidentally cut too much, then the stem would not work. Place the seal and close the case back. Attach the straps and we are done. I am very happy by how this watch turned out. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.